How to delete JumpTask account. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can delete your JumpTask account. To do so, first of all, you will need to open your JumpTask application on your mobile device, and here make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are logged into your account, you will land on this home page. Here at the top right, you will be able to see your profile icon. Go ahead and tap on your profile icon. And by doing so, now you will reach to this page. In this page, at the top right of your profile picture, here you will be able to see the gear icon. Go ahead and tap on this gear icon, and now you will be taken to the account setting page. Here in this page, you will be able to see the option delete my account. Now you need to tap on this delete my account option, and by doing so, here you will need to enter the confirmation phrase. In this box, you need to type in the text delete account forever as shown above the box. Also ensure that once you delete the account, it will permanently erase all of your data and earnings, and this action cannot be undone. If you agree with that, then you can proceed further. Tap on the box and here enter the text. After you enter the text, now you can tap on this delete account button at the bottom. After that, you will see you have successfully deleted your JumpTask account. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.